Good morning to all of you once again. So give a big smile. Now laugh for me loudly, as you used to laugh in the loudly. Yes, very loudly. All of the house, all of your home, the entire home of yours should get the vibration of your laugh. Ha ha. The way you used to laugh, full. The entire happiness should come out. Yes, yes. I can see you all. Laugh loudly. Oh, I am unable to hear. More loudly. Okay, great. So what we'll do now is everything good starts with a prayer. That's why, in the morning you pray. In the school, there is, in the assembly, you also start with a prayer. So let's start with a prayer. So for the prayer, what we'll do is, I will request all of you to fold your hands like this. Fold your hands like this. Close your eyes. Sit straight. Just for a minute. Sit straight. I see some of you not close your eyes. Close your eyes. Bhavik, you're not, yeah, now you've closed your eyes. All of you close your eyes. Okay, great. Thank you. So close your eyes and listen to the vibration of the prayer that I'm going to play. And I will also pray along with you, for all of you, for all of us, for your families.
संसार समुद्रतार नौकायिताभ्यां गुरुभक्तिताभ्यां वैराग्य साम्राज्यदपूजनाभ्यां नमो नमः श्री गुरुपादुकाभ्यां कवित्ववाराशि निशाकराभ्यां दौर्भाग्यदावाङ्कुधमालिकाभ्यां दूरीकृतानम्रविपत्तिताभ्यां नमो नमः श्रीगुरुपादुकाभ्यां नताययो श्रीपतितां समीयो कदाचिदप्याशु दरिद्रवर्या मूकाश्च वाचस्पतितां हिताभ्यां नमो नमः श्रीगुरुपादुकाभ्यां कालीकनिकाशपदाकृताभ्यां नानाविमोहादिनिवारिकाभ्यां नमज्जनाभीष्टगतिप्रदाभ्यां नमो नमः श्रीगुरुपादुकाभ्यां कृपालिमौली रजरत्नकान्ति सरिद्विराज झषकन्यकाभ्यां कृपपदाभ्यां नतलोकपङ्क्तेः नमो नमः श्रीगुरुपादुकाभ्यां पापान्धकारार्कपरम्पराभ्यां तापत्रयाहीन्द्रखगेश्वराभ्यां जाड्याद्रिसंशोषणवाणवाभ्यां नमो नमः श्रीगुरुपादुकाभ्यां.
Great. So now let's talk. So next, 1 hour or so, we'll be talking and finding out how happy you are, and try to talk to you something that I have been missing for the last almost 3 months. So I thought, why not virtually talk to all of you? It's nice, no? Yes? Show me your thumb like this if it's nice. All of you like? Okay, great. Thank you. So tell me, all of you have seen God? If no, say like this. If yes, say like this. Have you seen God? No, none of you have seen God. Oh, actually, I have seen God. Right? And each one of you have seen God. But you have not been able to identify God. Actually, God has come in front of you as your father and mother. Your mother who kept you inside for 9 months, feeding from her own food, blood, and bringing you to this world, is your living God in front of you. And your father who did hold your hand and teach you how to talk, teach you how to walk, is also God. So that's why always I have said every day, touch the feet of your parents because they are God in front of you. And if you, all of you, treat your father and mother as God, what will happen, you will become extraordinary good child. When you grow up, you will have three things in you. You will have generosity, you will have spirituality, and you will have humility. So these are three big terms, and I'll try to explain you slowly and very, very lucidly to all of you. What does this mean? But as the first process, again, I am telling you that every day morning, as you pray God, go to a temple or go to the worship place in your house and pray, kneel down and pray. Also, every day, touch the feet of your parents and take their blessings. And if in your house you have grandparents also and elders, also touch their feet and take their blessings. As much as blessing you can get because they are all living God, right? And three words I had told you. I hope you remember. The first thing I said that practice every day of touching the feet. And the three words I said, thank you, sorry, and please. Right? So whenever you want anything, always put the word please before that. Can I please have a glass of water? It may be mother, it may be father, it may be anyone in your house, it may be the person who is serving it in your house. So always tell, can I please have a glass of water? Can I please have milk? Can I please have breakfast? So that will bring your stature. Your humility comes the way you speak and the way you try to make your feelings out. And whenever you feel that somebody something they have done for you, like somebody gives a glass of water to you, right? Always say thank you papa, thank you mama, thank you uncle, thank you this, thank you that. Always use the word thank you. And you whenever you feel that you have done something wrong, if you feel, let others not speak or let others not tell that you have done anything wrong, but if you feel that probably I have done something wrong, don't hesitate to tell sorry. The moment you say sorry, you realize your mistake. So the more you can count, today, did I touch my parents' feet and elders' feet? Today, how many times I have said sorry? I mean, please. Today, how many times I have said thank you? And if I have done mistake, how many times I have said sorry? If you count and increase these numbers, your character will flourish like the best child of the world. So you have to become the best child because always I say and tell you, my seniors are either the best or different from the rest. Yes, I'm able to hear some of the because some of the mics are unmuted and I am able to hear. Great, great. So we'll start. I will show you now something, right? And then ask questions. I'll show you something, then ask questions, and then that's how my children we will make this conversation. But I'm so happy today. Once more, smile for me because I'll get energy when you smile. Big smile, otherwise laugh. Smile loudly so that I can hear. Loudly. Yes, now I'll start. Okay, great. Thank you so much, my children. Okay, okay, you made my day. Great. So did you all see this video? If you have seen, raise your hand. Okay. Now, what did you learn out of this video? What did you learn out of this video? I'll start asking questions. Yes. So those who want to speak, raise their hands. Okay, great. So we will start with the first. Susri. Yeah, Susri, unmute.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah, Susri, how are you today, beta?
I'm fine, sir.
Did you have breakfast?
Yes, sir.
What?
First I had biscuits.
Okay.
Mama was making roti and green vegetables.
Oh, great. Send something for me, beta.
Okay, sir. Sir, I want to show you something because I'm in my village.
Oh,
Over here, I
right.
got a over here in the morning. I get
Mhm.
a very beautiful scenery.
Oh, so to everyone, beta. So to everyone. Susri, you are so cute. Oh, such.
Thank you, sir.
This thatched house. It is like natural air conditioner. What I see behind you.
Yes,
You know,
sir.
you get
Over here, my aunt has AC, but I don't want AC over here. I get
yes.
natural air, and I just like this place.
So sweet. And when I was a small kid, when I used to go to my village, I used to always stay in this thatched house. And no fan is required, no air conditioner is required, and you can always feel so good. Now let's go to Arusi.
Sir,
Yeah, but Arusi, how are you?
I am fine.
Okay. So show me your smile. No. Big smile, beta. Yes. Now tell, what did you learn out of this video?
Sir, from this video, I learned that mother and father can do anything for their children.
Yes. Mother, oh, so sweet. Mother and father can do anything for their children, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. What else, beta?
Sir, they can give.
Yes, beta.
They can give their favorite thing for their children.
They can do anything and they can give you the most favorite thing but the most favorite thing is you, beta. Right? So cute. So next I will go to Priyansh. Priyansh, unmute. Yeah, Priyansh.
Yes, sir.
Yes, beta.
So I learned the importance of mother and father and how they love us.
Okay. And
sir, I thought that sir, I had a question.
yes.
Sir, at every food was manufactured by Parle-G. It was written Parle-G in every packet of biscuit.
Right. I didn't get your question, beta. Say it again.
So the producer of the video was Parle-G or the Health.
I think it was Parle-G, but now tell me, beta, what do you do in the house to make your mother happy? Tell me one thing that you do. Yes, Priyansh.
I help her to cook. I help her to cook.
Oh, great. And
when I'm eating in a dining table, I set my own table. I set my own plate so that she can cook.
So cute. So that means when you're going to food, you set your table, you bring your plates, and help mother while having food, and after food you take the plates after having food and clean it and keep it back. That's right. So great. Let's all clap for Priyansh sir for such a wonderful son. And we are so proud. I want all my seniors to do what Priyansh is doing. Now let's go to Anushka Priyadarshini.
Yes, sir.
How are you today, Anushka?
I'm fine, sir.
Big smile, Anushka, beta. Yes. No, laugh. The way you used to laugh in Indraprasth jor se. Right. So I like missing all your laugh, and the way you used to come and hug me, I'm missing all those. Let the school open,
Me too.
Yes, beta. Oh, okay. Let me listen and get this happiness by talking to you. Anushka, go ahead. What did you learn, beta?
Sir, I learned that our parents can sacrifice anything for us. They love so much.
Mm-hmm. Yes. Parents, I just said, your mother is your first God. So, parents can do anything and everything for you. But always remember, if they are doing everything and anything for you, do not do anything in life that can make your mother unhappy. Always try to see that mother who is doing so much for you. Always listen to her, because they will always say good things about you. They'll always like you. At times children get angry. This food is not good. I throw this food. I don't like this food. Every day you're cooking this food. Not better like that, because your mother knows what is good for you. See, for example, I'll tell you today, suppose, mother has made some curry and forgotten to put salt in it. So there are two ways how we can react. Once you can react is just throw the plate and say, no salt, no good, you don't know how to cook. The other is, without telling anything, put little salt and have it. And say, mother, curry was really good. So that will make your mother very happy, because when she'll have food, she will realize that salt was not there. Even then you did not complain. That's the return of affection that you can do by your action.
Yes,
Don't
sir.
try to find small flaws. Try to see the big things which mother is doing for you. Right? Thank you,
Yes,
beta.
sir.
I'm so proud of you. Yes. So I see, I am not able to know the number. Saket Kumar. Yes. How are you, How are you?
Ma'am, sorry, sir, I am fine.
Yes, beta. I see Lord Buddha behind you. Yes.
Ma'am, sir, that's a statue my uncle gave.
Oh, so read sometimes of Lord Buddha. It's so beautiful in your house, right? Buddha is
Yes,
a symbol of dedication and meditation, right?
Yes.
Buddha is a God himself, right? So what did you learn, beta?
So I learned that whatever we think in our mind, our parents can read that.
Yes, absolutely. Yes, beta.
And our mother and father will give anything for us.
Yes. But you should not ask something to mother or father which is impossible. Like you say that, you today only you bring a plane for me, I want to fly. Right?
That's not
So,
possible.
don't ask things to mother and father which they will not give or they should not give, right? Because they are all capable to give. They can do
Yes.
anything for you. Whatever you want, they can bring. If you want the moon also, they will try to bring for you. They'll work for it. But don't try to make them embarrassed or not ask to them things which they should not give and which you should not get, right? I am so
Yes,
happy.
sir.
Yes, smile for me. Yes, so nice, so nice. I clap for Saket. Okay. Now, Aishwarya.
Yes,
Where
sir.
are you? Yes, beta. How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Smile. Yes, beautiful spectacles. कहाँ से मिला
Yes,
बेटा?
sir. Look shop.
हाँ, मेरे लिए एक लाओगे?
हाँ.
स्कूल खोलेगा तो मेरे को एक देना.
हाँ.
ठीक है बेटा. Okay. Tell me, what did you learn?
I learned that mother and father can fulfill all of our wishes.
Yes, mother and father can always, always, always fulfill your wishes because for them you are the best gift of God, right?
Yes,
But
sir.
as I said, always make mother and father happy,
Yes, sir.
right? So there are so many people who have raised hands. So what I'll do is I will ask some questions in the first video, then I'll go to the next video. Otherwise, we may not be able to complete. But before I go to the next question or next video, can I request all of you one thing? You'll do it? You'll do it? Sure? Promise? Okay. Okay, thank you. So just get up, give a big hug to your mother, touch their feet and come back. Within 1 minute, big hug, touch their feet and come back. All of you. Quick, 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 quick. Okay. Sai Isika. Unmute yourself, Sai Isika.
Good morning, sir.
Sai Isika.
Sir Lavishka.
Oh, Laviska. Did you give a hug to your mother?
Yes, sir.
How did you feel?
Sir, very nice.
So every day if you give a hug, how will you feel?
Sir, very, very nice.
So every day, give a hug to your mother and touch their feet. You know, you will make your day and you will make your mother's day. These are things which, you know, cannot be taught in textbooks. These are things which cannot be just, you know, read or Google or seen in the internet. These are things which need to be practiced and felt in the heart, right? So always feel it in the heart. We give a big smile, Laviska. Bigger, bigger. बेटा और थोड़ा जोर से. So sweet. Who gave a haircut to you?
Sir, this was also my mother's idea.
Oh, so nice. मैं तेरे को तुम्हारा चेहरा बहुत खिलता है. It's so sweet. It's exactly suiting to your face.
From when I was from 1 class, my mother gave me this cut.
देखो बेटा, मदर कितना प्यार करती है. ठीक है ना बेटा?
Yes, sir.
Very nice, very nice. So I will ask one more question, then probably go to the next video. Let me see. Okay. So Tanus.
Yes, sir.
Tanus beta, how are you today?
Sir, fine, sir.
Beta, did you give a hug to your mother?
Yes, sir.
कैसा लगा?
Sir, comfortable.
बहुत अच्छा लगा ना?
Yes, sir.
दिल में सुकून मिला ना?
Yes, sir.
हर बार ऐसा करना?
Yes, sir.
So what did you learn out of the video?
Sir, our mother can do anything for us. They love us a lot. They can give their lives for us. They love us very much. They are very kind to us.
Yes, absolutely, beta. Right? So what we'll do is we will now go to see one more video, then talk, right? Okay. So nice, no? Okay, now I will ask, children who will like to speak after this video, right? You saw something on the mother, now something on the father. And you have to raise your hand in the system, not in the video question. First question goes to Chirag Mahapatra. How are you, Chirag?
Sir, fine.
Chirag, yes, now I am able to see you, Chirag. Smile. हो जाएगा हाँ speak बेटा
Our mother can give life for us.
yes but ये वीडियो बेटा फादर पे था मदर का वीडियो तो पहले था अभी what did you see in this video father's video what did you see in the father's video beta
Father works hard for us.
yes father also works hard for you you know ये वीडियो में देखा ठीक है no problem बेटा keep smiling खाना खाया ना खाना खाया
Yes, sir.
very nice so we'll go to the next question Krishna Kumari
Sir, I want to say something.
हाँ बेटा
I always pray to God. My mother, father always stay good.
Yes, so sweet. Always pray, beta. I learn from all of you the way you are all devoted. I see you. I see how you are doing because you are the precious gift of God, and you do things very very nicely. So
Always I do like this.
oh, so sweet, so sweet. Thank you, Chirag. I claps for you. God bless you. Now, Krishna Kumari. Yeah, Krishna Kumari.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. How are you, Krishna?
I'm fine, sir.
I'm unable to see your face. Sit little back. Okay. Right. Smile. थोड़ा और थोड़ा जोर से बेटा. Very nice. हाँ बेटा बोल. What did you see in this video?
In this video, I saw a father can do anything for us. If we are hungry and nobody is there at home, he can even cook for us.
देखा बेटा ये कोरोना टाइम में in this corona time when father mother are around how much God is giving an opportunity to see their love and affection so लोग बोल रहे हैं कोरोना खराब है a lot of things are happening around but inside the home how much time you are able to spend and this opportunity always take and learn from your parents so nice of you beta yes now I'll go to Gyana कृष्णा थोड़ा हंस दे मेरे लिए यस यस बेटा थैंक यू या ज्ञाना
सर गुड मॉर्निंग
कहाँ है बेटा तुम या ज्ञाना हाउ आर यू
मैम सर फाइन
अरे तेरा बहुत बहुत अच्छा बेटा तेरा हेडफोन है
थैंक यू सर
सो ब्यूटीफुल आर यू लिसनिंग टू म्यूजिक इन दिस हेडफोन
हाँ सर
क्या म्यूजिक सुनते हो बेटा
मैम that ma'am is showing in our class and you are showing that all
ओह बहुत सुंदर है मेरे को कभी इसको देना मैं थोड़ा सुनूंगा बहुत अच्छा क्वालिटी है ठीक है सो व्हाट डिड यू लर्न बेटा व्हाट वाज दिस
so father and mother are living God
यस
and father can sacrifice all things in our life that we want
yes so father also like mother always try to see smile in your face always tries to see that you are happy and always try to get the things that you want before even you think before even you ask your parents your father will go out of the way to bring things and make you happy कुछ भी कर सकते हैं तुम्हारे लिए बेटा कुछ भी because जो कुछ भी father mother करते हैं it's only for your good and best for you okay great Jagrit okay Jagrit
Yes, sir.
okay sorry beta जागृत, तो तुम थोड़ा हंस दो मेरे लिए। तुम्हारा पीछे ना वो बहुत सुंदर वार्डरोब है, बहुत सुंदर वार्डरोब
थैंक यू
है।
सर।
वो कहाँ से डिजाइन किया, बहुत सुंदर है।
ये सब बॉम्बे से लाए सब।
हाँ, मेरे लिए भी एक मंगवा देना कभी, ठीक है?
हाँ ठीक है सर।
ओके, नाउ टेल मी बेटा,
व्हाट सर?
क्या व्हाट डिड यू सी इन दिस वीडियो?
Sir, I learned from this video. My father can do anything for us.
Oh, the father can do anything for us. So sweet, so sweet. और एक बार हंस दे मेरे लिए। Very nice. Now I'll go to Anurag. Anurag,
Yes, sir.
Anurag कैसे हो?
Sir, fine, sir. And you?
Where are you? I am fine, beta. Where are you now? Which place?
Sir, West Bengal.
कौन सा प्लेस का नाम क्या है?
Sir, Damdam.
दमदम में है वो, जहाँ पे एयरपोर्ट है?
हाँ sir.
अच्छा, एयरपोर्ट पे अभी प्लेन सब जा रहा है, देख रहे हैं तुम प्लेन? नहीं? Okay, now tell me, what did you see? What did you see?
Sir, in mother's video, I have learned that mother and father can do anything, and in father's video, that father is a superhero. They had
Yes. तो मेरे को बहुत अच्छा लगा when you said your father is a superhero. सारे बच्चों के लिए their father is the superhero, and all children try to follow them, क्योंकि बच्चों के लिए अपने फादर सबसे अच्छे होते हैं and superhero होते हैं, and most of the time we try to emulate our parents, and that's why we become so good, because परवरिश अच्छा होता है. If think a situation where there is always disturbance in the house, always fighting, always negative happening around, so तुम्हारा मन भी दुख होगा. लेकिन आप लोगों का घर में मैं देखता हूँ मेरे सारे बच्चे बहुत खुश हैं. इसका मतलब all in our houses there is a lot of happiness. All our parents of my beautiful children are taking so much good care. Even in this corona time, I see every child of mine smiling. So my sincere thanks and respect goes to every parent. सारे parents जो अभी मेरे बच्चे अभी जो मेरे को देख रहे हैं, I want to convey that I am so grateful to them for keeping my children so happy. In this period when you are not able to come to school, my children are staying in the parents' houses, and school का जो responsibility था for about 6-7 hours, मेरे parents, मेरे बच्चों के parents वो 6-7 घंटा happiness बच्चों को देते हैं, and I'm so grateful to God that all my children are so happy. I am really thankful to all my parents. Okay, Arusi.
Sir, I want to tell something.
हाँ बेटा बोल.
Sir, when you call to us, we will come to school, and I am excited to go to school.
हाँ बेटा, गवर्नमेंट जब बोलेगा ना, गवर्नमेंट जब अलाउ करेगा बेटा, यू आर इन द रेसिडेंशियल स्कूल, जैसे ही गवर्नमेंट नोटिफिकेशन आता है, we will all bring you, and we are all eagerly waiting बेटा. बिल्डिंग सुना लगता है. When I go to Sai school or Sai residential school, I sit there, the place is daunting me because मेरे बच्चे नहीं है. मेरे बच्चे, like the body, there is blood which makes our body function. ब्लड अगर चला जाएगा तो बॉडी का क्या वैल्यू है, वैसा मेरे स्कूल में मेरे बच्चे नहीं है, तो मेरे को स्कूल सुना लगता है बेटा. आई एम ऑल्सो ईगरली वेटिंग फॉर ऑल ऑफ यू टू कम. थैंक यू बेटा. आरुषि.
वेलकम सर.
या आरुषि.
गुड मॉर्निंग सर.
हाँ बेटा, स्माइल. बेटा तुम कुछ हेयर बैंड अच्छा लगाया है क्या तुम्हारा? मैं कुछ स्टार देख रहा हूँ. कितना स्टार है? बहुत स्टार है बेटा तेरे सर पे. व्हाट्स दैट? What's that, बेटा?
That's some design.
अच्छा, वो हेयर का साथ पूरा मिला हुआ है. वेरी नाइस. मामा ने दिया.
Yes, sir.
तो स्कूल जब आएगा ना उसको पहन के आना, मेरे को थोड़ा दिखाना. राइट, आई विल टेक अ पिक्चर विथ यू. आई विल टेक अ सेल्फी विथ यू एंड पोस्ट इट. बहुत सुंदर है बेटा. हाँ, टेल मी व्हाट डिड यू लर्न आउट ऑफ द वीडियो?
Sir, father and mother loves us, and they are very, and we should be respectful for them, and they successful our wish.
Yes, great. So बेटा, अभी क्या करेंगे? अभी नेक्स्ट वीडियो जाने से पहले मैं और एक बार एक बोलूं, एक रिक्वेस्ट करूं, करोगे मेरे लिए बेटा? करोगे पक्का? Okay.
Yes, sir.
So I requested you to go and hug your mother, give a big hug to your mother and touch their feet and come back. Abhi, I request all of you to get up, quickly run, give a hug to your father, touch their feet and come back. 1 minute पे.
Sir,
Yes.
my father is not there. He has gone to office.
Okay, तो फादर का फोटो होगा ना घर पे?
Yes, sir.
तो फोटो के सामने जाके कर ले, नो प्रॉब्लम.
Okay.
और फादर जब आएंगे बोलना कि पापा आपका फोटो करना, मैं आज हग किया, किस किया. ठीक है? ओके, नाउ अंतरा. अंतरा, हाउ आर यू?
Fine.
कैसे हो बेटा अंतरा?
Fine.
अच्छा, ओ सो स्वीट अंतरा. हग किया पापा को?
हाँ.
कैसा लगा?
अच्छा.
अच्छा ना, बहुत अच्छा.
बहुत अच्छा.
तो डेली हग करोगे?
हाँ.
पाँव भी छुओगे?
हाँ.
so sweet अंतरा. I am so happy. और मेरे लिए और एक बार हंस दे बेटा. Oh so sweet. Great. तो अंतरा, tell me, what did you see in that video?
Sir, I learned that our father do anything for us, and they love us more than themselves also.
Oh, कितना बड़ा बात बोल दिया तुम बेटा आज. You said that father loves you the most and loves you more than themselves. Right? अपने से भी ज्यादा तेरे को प्यार करते हैं. कितना बड़ा बात है, नहीं बेटा? तो कभी पापा को दुख मत देना. ठीक है? All of you, all my children, never do anything which makes our parents, our first God, unhappy. जब कभी कभी गुस्सा आता होगा ना, sometimes you must be feeling a little angry. गुस्सा आता है ना? Right. So जब भी गुस्सा आता है, I'll tell you a small practice. All my children, all my seniors, just listen. जब भी गुस्सा आता है, जब भी when you become angry, close your eyes and start counting 10 to 1. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. फिर भी गुस्सा है, और एक बार रिपीट करो. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. देखना अपने आप गुस्सा खत्म हो जाएगा एंड अपने आप स्माइल आ जाएगा. सो ये प्रैक्टिस करना. कभी भी गुस्सा आता है, दिस इज एंगर मैनेजमेंट. कभी भी गुस्सा आना, राइट? दिस इज डिफरेंट मेथड्स ऑफ माइंड कंट्रोल. तो अगर at this age of life, if you start doing this practice and always trying to keep your control on yourself, things will be great for you. Okay, there are so many hands. I'm so sorry I'll not be able to ask questions to everyone. I'll show you one more video, then probably I'll ask some more questions. Yeah. So I see a lot of hands now. Now I'll ask questions. Okay. Ahana, the first name that I see. Ahana. Yeah, Ahana, speak.
Hello, sir.
What a beautiful haircut. When,
I made it myself, all because of the headband.
oh, very nice. Very nice haircut. Okay. Khana khaya beta?
What, sir? I couldn't hear you.
Khana khaya? Did you have breakfast today?
Yes, a cream bun.
Oh, so nice. This is your room?
No, this is my father's room.
Okay. Very nice. So today my Ahana is sitting Papa's room, right? Okay. So what did you learn out of this video, Ahana?
Parents never let their children fail.
Yes. Parents kabhi chahte nahi hai that my child will fail. And what else did you learn?
Parents will keep telling us to never give up.
Yes. Yes, but I will tell something more. Let me listen to others. Then I'll tell something more. Thoda हंस दे मेरे लिए. Smile. Yes, so sweet, so sweet. Okay, now Ritvik. Ritvik.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Ritvik. How are you today?
Fine, sir.
What a beautiful chair. What's that on your ceiling?
Yes, sir.
Beautiful design on your ceiling, on your head. Yes,
Yes,
nice ceiling, nice design. Okay, great. So what did you learn, Ritvik?
Sir, we should help our mother and father in working. They, if we help our mother and father, they will also help us.
Yes, they will also help you always and never see you fail in life, because
Also, we should not be angry on them.
yes, we should not be angry on them and we should keep on trying. Very nice, very nice. So next is, I see on the queue, Shraddha Suman. Yeah, Shraddha Suman.
Yes, sir.
How are you today, Shraddha?
Fine, sir.
Very nice. Smile. हंस दे मेरे लिए. Such beautiful spectacles. तेरा चश्मा बहुत सुंदर है.
Thank you.
कहाँ से लाया? कहाँ से लाया बेटा?
Spectacle shop.
Okay. So sweet smile. क्या टूथपेस्ट यूज करती है? So beautiful.
Colgate.
क्या लेती है? Colgate. Okay, great. हाँ बेटा. What did you see in the video?
That we should never give up.
Very nice. This answer I was trying to find out, you know.
And if we give up, we will never be in a succeed. If we never give up, someday we will go to a succeed.
Yes, we should keep on trying, and one will be successful. If we give up, we can never reach the goal, right? Practice makes
Everyone perfect.
yes, very nice, very nice. So now I'll Himanshu.
Good morning, sir.
कैसा है? How are you, Himanshu? So much of gold behind you. इतना सोना है, बाप रे, कहाँ से इतना सोना लाया?
Sir, that's not gold. That's the painting texture.
जब बिल्कुल झूठ, खाली सोना है, प्योर सोना.
No, sir.
मेरे को तो सोना दिखता है. So much of gold leaf. Okay, what did you see in video, beta?
I saw in the video that our parents never let us fail.
Parents never let us fail, and you should always keep on trying. That's right.
Yes, we should always keep on trying until we success.
Yes, until you succeed. Keep on trying, keep on trying, keep on working hard, keep on practicing. One day, definitely you'll succeed and you'll be successful in life. अगर हार मान लोगे तब तो मुश्किल है. लास्ट में क्या बोला? बच्चे हारना जानते नहीं, right? बच्चे हारना जानते नहीं. Because as a child, just remember when you first, started walking, when you are a kid, you ask your mother, you started crawling. After that, you started to stand up. And while you were trying to stand up, you would have fallen 1,000 times.
Yes.
Right? Agar us time, if those days, you would have felt that I can never walk because I am falling. Today, you would not been able to walk.
Yes.
Because you kept on trying. Because you fell down 100 times, 200 times, 1,000 times. Even at times you got hurt. Even then you kept on trying and you started walking. इसलिए आज चल पा रहे हो. So ultimately success is in your hand and you will always be successful in life. Keep on trying and keep on trying. Right? ये हमेशा याद रखना. Right? I will go to Jagdish. Yeah, Jagdish.
Good morning, sir.
तेरा कैमरा ऑन कर जगदीश. स्विच ऑन योर कैमरा. या जगदीश, गो अहेड. Yes. ये जगदीश, you have put on Baba's locket.
Yes, sir.
Sai Baba's locket.
Yes, sir.
मेरे लिए प्रणाम कर देना. I also pray. बाबा, हाथ जोड़ ले एक बार, हाथ जोड़ ले. Fold your hands. Yes. Do pranam to Baba. Baba, bless me. Right. So, thank you. What did you see in the video?
We should never give up and we should try until we are successful.
Oh, we should. You'll always try, never accept defeat. Keep on trying, right? अगर इस बार नहीं हुआ तो next time, right? Always keep on trying. ठीक है बेटा? You'll keep on trying always? Right. Very good. Now,
I have made a drawing, but I can't make first name. But I tried very much, and last time I can make it very beautiful.
you have made some drawings. Can you show me what you have drawn? Beautiful. ये तो लॉर्ड गणेश बहुत अच्छा बनाया बेटा. वेरी नाइस कॉन्सेप्ट. कौन बोलता है दैट यू कैन ड्रॉ? यू ड्रॉ ब्यूटीफुल. या जगदीश, वेयर आर यू?
Sir, I am not getting the drawing.
Okay, beta. Next time when you come to school, bring all drawings and show it to me. Right? So nice. Claps for you. Congratulations. Now I will go to Aryan C. Yeah, Aryan C.
Yes, sir.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Oh, so many books behind you. See how many books I have. So I see a lot of books behind you. So you keep on reading?
Those actually belong to my mother and grandfather.
So you'll not be able to read them. You should read them whenever you have.
Yes.
Right? Reading is a very good habit. Yeah, what did you see in the video?
I saw in the video that keep trying until you reach your goal. And if you fall off,
Do it. Go get up and do it again until you reach your goal, and keep following your heart.
Okay, great. So I want to see my children. We have already almost crossed the time limit. Should we have little more conversation, or should we close? If you want that we should talk some more time, then show your thumb like this. Otherwise, we will close it. So all of you want to? Oh my God! All of you want? Okay. So we'll extend it for another 10-15 minutes. Is that right? But I'll do it if all of you smile for me. Then I'll get energy. All of you, big laugh. Big laugh. In the morning you laughed, no? Jor se. Jor se. Yes. Okay, great. So next I will ask whom? I'll ask Trishna. Trishna. Then first, I am going as per the order of the show of hands. So Trishna.
Namaskar, sir.
Namaskar, beta. How are you?
Sir, I'm fine. How are you?
I am also fine, beta. I was not very fine, but after seeing you, I am fine because I have not seen you for so many days. कैसा है तृष्णा? तेरा स्माइल थोड़ा देखे और थोड़ा जोर से बेटा. Yes, Trishna. You had breakfast, beta?
Yes, sir.
क्या खाया? What did you have?
Poha.
Oh my God, my favorite. तो मेरे लिए लेके आना नेक्स्ट जब स्कूल आएगी नेक्स्ट टाइम.
Okay, sir.
ज्यादा नहीं, थोड़ा सा.
Okay, sir.
Very nice. Okay. So now, Trishna, what did you learn out of this video?
I learned that we should never give up. We should always try until we reach our goal.
तो पढ़ाई में भी ऐसा करते हो ना? You always keep on trying.
Yes, sir.
डांस सीखती हो? Do you learn dance?
Yes, sir. Odissi dance.
ओडिसी डांस. तो प्रैक्टिस करती हो हमेशा?
Yes, sir. Our dancer always teaches us in online nowadays.
Yes. So you are practicing dance?
Yes.
So as you know, I requested all my children that every day you should touch the feet of your parents and the grandparents if they are there and take their blessings. This practice also you will do?
Yes, sir.
Every day?
Yes, sir.
So nice. I'm so proud of my children. They, all my children whom I am seeing now are the best children of the world. सारे दुनिया में जितने बच्चे हैं ना, मेरे seniors जिनको मैं अभी देख रहा हूँ, they are far better because my seniors are क्या है, either the best or
Different from the rest.
and choice is yours. Correct. Okay, great. So next is I see Aryansi.
Thank you, sir.
God bless you, beta. Stay blessed. Aryansi. Yeah, Aryansi. Your camera is muted. Your camera, unmute your camera, Aryansi. Yes. So you spoke now, no, Aryansi?
Yes, sir.
You want to speak anything else?
No.
Okay, great. So now I'll go to Yas. Yas rest.
Yes, sir.
Yas rest. कहाँ है बेटा? Where are you? Yes. How are you today?
Sir, nice.
Okay. What did you learn out of video?
Sir, my mother and father can do anything for us.
No, last wala video.
Sir, never give up.
Never give up.
Always try to do.
Always try to do. Tu correct na? Always you'll try to do.
Yes, sir.
हंस दे मेरे लिए. Smile and smile. You know what all of you would do today after my session is over? Stand in front of the mirror, right? All of you stand in front of the mirror and थोड़ा ऐसा हंस के देख अपना, you see your face smiling and see your face without smiling, right? ऐसा देखना हंस के, फिर देखना ऐसा, तो कौन सा अच्छा लगेगा? Smiling. So keep on smiling. If you keep on smiling, you'll inspire positivity and everybody around you will be happy. Excellent. Now I see raise of hand is Saina. Oh, all of you have raised your hand. I cannot ask. This will go on till 12 o'clock. I'll ask few more. Okay. Saina Mahapatra.
Good morning, sir.
Morning, Saina. Oh, I have not seen you, Saina, for so many days. I'm feeling so sad that I'm unable to meet you in person. No problem. We virtually met today.
Yes, sir.
You are feeling good?
Yes, sir.
Very nice, beta. What did you have?
Today I had idli and sambar.
Oh my God, idli.
Yes, sir.
घर में बना? In the house?
Yes, sir.
Hot idli, steaming?
Yes, sir.
Oh my God, I have to come to your house and have some idli. Because all shops are closed, I'm not getting idli. So I'll come to your house and have idli. मेरे को देगी?
Okay, sir.
Yes. Now what did you learn out of the video?
Sir, we should never give up and keep on trying till we succeed.
Correct. So, Saina, मेरे को सच बोलना, कभी कभी, at times when you are not able to do something and your parents tell that इसको करो, you become angry.
Yes, sometimes.
No, beta. That's why I showed you the video, because your parents always want you to succeed. That's why they always tell you do it, do it, do it, do it. And at times we feel that they are pressurizing us. They are telling us that do it when I do not want to do. No, it's not that. They want you never to fail. हमेशा करना बेटा. Whenever they ask you, and whenever you become angry, as I said, close your eyes and start counting. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Practice करना.
Yes, sir.
Very nice. So sweet. Hi, so sweet. God bless you, beta. Okay, now I'll go to Jishnu. Jishnu. Unmute your camera and mic both. Okay, I think Jishnu has connectivity problem. Now we'll go to Satya Pragya. Satya Pragya, unmute your mic.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir.
How are you today?
I am fine, sir.
Very nice. Smile. Smile for me. जोर से. Bigger smile. Yes. Keep like this. Your face with smile looks beautiful. Okay. Now tell me, what did you learn? What did you learn, beta?
Sir,
What did you learn out of the video?
I learned never should give up. We should try again and again. Then also, if we lose, don't be unhappy.
Yes. Don't be unhappy. Try again. And when you succeed, you will be happy. Right?
Sir.
Yes. Now let's go to Aisa. Aisa, your camera is okay. Let's go to Shrest. Aisa, yes. Aisa.
Sir,
कैसा है बेटा? How are you, Aisa, today?
fine, sir.
What happened to your teeth?
Sir, they have fallen down.
कौन ले लिया?
So fairy took them.
पैरी ले लिया.
Yes.
मैं उसके वापस ले आऊंगा and again it will start growing. Right?
Yes, sir.
तो अभी मैजिक में करता हूँ. Right? ऐसा मैजिक करूंगा. आंख बंद कर. Yes. Now you'll see from tomorrow it will start growing. मैजिक कर लिया मैं.
Okay, sir.
And जब ग्रो करेगा मेरे को दिखाना मेरा मैजिक काम किया ना नहीं किया.
Okay, sir.
Very nice. Now tell me, what did you learn?
I learned from this video that we should not give up If we had give up, we should try it again and again.
और जितना बार गिरोगे उतना चेष्टा करना, राइट? जैसा चलना सीखा, लाइक यू लर्न हाउ टू वॉक, you learned how to play. Everything becomes, you will become successful when you practice it regularly, right?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Now I'll go to, thank you, beta. Now I'll go to Srestha. Yes, Srestha.
Yes, sir.
कहाँ है बेटा तुम? I am unable to see you, Srestha.
Good morning, sir.
Yes, Srestha. How are you?
Fine, sir.
Beautiful hair style. कौन comb किया? Mother? Oh, so nice, so nice. Your hairband is also equally good. Very nice hairband. कहाँ से लाया?
Sir, Mumbai.
मुंबई, इसीलिए इतना सुंदर है. मुंबई से लाना. अमिताभ बच्चन ने दिया क्या? ऐश्वर्या रॉय ने दिया?
मम्मी ने दिया.
कौन दिया?
मम्मी ने.
मम्मी ऐश्वर्या से कम है क्या? मम्मी तो वर्ल्ड का बेस्ट है ना? वर्ल्ड का बेस्ट है ना मम्मी?
हाँ.
Yes. बोल अभी. Now tell me. What did you learn?
Sir, we should never give up because trying leads to success.
Yes. So I'll go for the last question to Sirin Farhat. Sirin, beta, unmute your camera and mic.
Yes, sir.
Where are you, Sirin?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Sirin. How are you?
Fine, sir.
What did you learn, Sirin?
Sir, I learned that never give up.
Never give up. So at times
Yes.
you give up, no? At times.
Yes, sir.
So never give up. Keep on trying. And
Okay,
don't
sir.
be on your parents because your parents are your first God. That's I said, no?
Yes, sir.
Did you hug your mother and father today? As I said?
Yes, sir.
ऐसा लगा तेरे को?
Sir, I feel better.
Okay, okay. Very nice. Very well. So I will go for.
Sir, actually, I want to say something.
हाँ बेटा बोल.
Sir, in the previous video you shared about the father's video, that time, sir, whenever my father goes out to buy groceries and some medicines, that time, sir, I tell him to take sanitizers, masks, and use sanitizer and not to put our fingers in our mouth and wash your hands always.
So sweet. My seniors are so caring. You know, they have learned. You tell father that, you know, wash your hand, put the mask, and be careful, stay social distance. So sweet. I'm so proud. You know, this is how my seniors will bring a difference to the world. Because I always tell my seniors are either the best or different. Now I say my seniors are best and different from the rest. My dear children, you know, that is the purpose. You know, I left all my profession, my IT company, all those, you know, I have left to professionals, and I have come, did almost research for 10 years from 1996 to 2006. So many schools across the world. I went to Australia, I went to USA, I went to UK, I went to Singapore, and saw about 150 schools. Also, I went to all of the good schools, 90% of the top schools of India, about 100 schools. After seeing 250 schools, I doing a research for 10 years. After completing my research in 2007, from 1996 almost to 2007, in 2008, I brought Science School with only one purpose, that all that I learned in these 10 years, all the big best practices going across the globe, all that I will implement in Science School. And one day my Science School will be top of the country. We are already the third best school. Many people across the globe are coming. Cambridge University is trying to do a research on us, how our children are doing so well, how our children have such beautiful upbringing, grooming, and how it is happening. So the research is going on us. So that's how Sai International is building its quality. I am trying to do everything. So today, I think we are already up a lot of taken. I've taken a lot of time. I see, almost another 100 to 150, hands raised. So next time I will give chance to a lot of you to speak. I'm so sorry, but keep your cameras on, and I will play one more thing, and I'll request all of you to do that. I will show something better, right? And I will request all of you to do that because I'm missing that in life. And all of you do say.
गुजरे ऐसी हर रात रात हो ख्वाहिशों से बात बात आशाएं लेकर सूरज से आग आग गाए जा अपना करके दिखा खुद खुश हो जाए खुदा आशाएं ले दिल की उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी आशाएं ले दिल की उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी
Thank you, and thank you for being there with me for almost 1.5 hours. We will meet next time and try to tell some more stories and interact with you. And thank you for being so wonderful. Take care of yourself, stay safe, and as my senior said, that we also take care of our parents. Always take care of your parents as the parents take care of you. Never forget to take their blessings. Never forget to touch their feet. Never forget to give them a hug every day. And never forget, thank you, sorry, please, because that's the quality of my senior. And I'll always pray for you. Thank you, children. I will like to only close after I see you all laughing loudly. All of you laugh loudly. Once more, laugh loudly. Thank you. God bless you. Stay safe. Thank you.